Hello, this is Swefi, your guide from Cairo, Egypt. I would like to show you around on this historical tour to see beautiful buildings such as the one behind me. The one behind me here is the caravanserai of the King Al Ghuri. The caravanserai of King Al Ghuri. He was the next to last Mamluk king of Egypt, and after he died, Egypt became an Ottoman vassal ruled from Istanbul. And this building just behind me here, this caravanserai was built in the beginning of the 16th century, and it's a part of a big complex. We call it the complex of the King Al Ghuri. We will see the rest of the ingredients of this complex on our way. What is a caravanserai? It's like a motel for merchants. Yeah, this is in brief, and you will enjoy this tour so much because you're going to see a lot of beautiful highlights of Islamic Cairo, and it's flexible, and you can just enjoy it from the comfort of your home. It's an online tour, and you will find me on tourhq.com. tourhq.com is the company which I freelance for, one of the companies I freelance for, and on this tour you will see the Egyptian side of the market, because the market is divided into two sides. The one on the other side over there, just across the road, is the touristic one, and here, which is more beautiful, this is the Egyptian side of the market. So I hope you will enjoy this tour with me. This complex, I'm talking about this complex. This is the remains of the complex of Al Ghuri, and you can see this double arch roof. This is the fountain school, as I will explain to you on the tour. The fountain school is like a free religious kindergarten for the kids and the orphans of the neighborhood, to teach them free of charge. So let's see you on tourhq.com. Take care. Bye bye.